Testing viral new makeup launches so you don't have to. This first launch I am genuinely so excited for. Summer Fridays finally launched blushes. Here's what the packaging looks like. You guys, this is adorable. It's so tiny. The consistency is super creamy. I'm going to start just applying this with my hand. I'm going to do this side with my hand and then the other side with a brush. So the consistency is really light and dewy. Definitely got a lot more pigment with the brush side. Okay, here's the side with my hand and then this is the side with the brush. These are really pretty. Kylie Cosmetics has been truly killing the game with these launches. I'm really excited to try these. This is the Dewy Balm Stick, and I'm gonna try out the shade Lunar Sky. Put this down the bridge of the nose. Use my hand again. I love when highlighters are skin-like. Huda Beauty lip stains have been everywhere all over TikTok. They're already so loved. I'm really excited to try them. Toasty Brown is a shade that I normally would reach for. Contouring my lips with this. And then she says to immediately go in and blend it. I'm trying to be quick so it doesn't dry out. Now I'm going to use Baby Pink and this into the other lip liner and in the center. Let's test it. Nothing. And then these are the jelly oils. I tried Juicy Pink Lady. It's this really pretty clear pink. This glides right on. Okay, formula is amazing. It's not sticky whatsoever. Our last and final launch, we have the SPF setting spray from One Size. I love their OG setting spray, so I have a feeling this is going to be a summer staple. It was really light. I actually really like the scent that's in it. It says it's mattifying, but I feel like I can't really tell that big of a difference on whether or not I changed my makeup, which is also a good thing because I like glowy makeup. Okay, you guys, here is the final look. What do we think? I honestly loved every launch. I think they're all incredible, but let me know what you guys think and if you tried these launches out.